Confluence makes it easy to get content down fast, but when your documentation span many pages and audiences, things can quickly get messy. That's where Scroll Documents comes in, as it turns Confluence into a powerful authoring tool with version control, workflows, and centralized management for multi-language and conditional content. Author once, keep it organized, and publish anywhere, all without leaving Confluence. Most teams don't just work on one Confluence page, they're managing hundreds or thousands. Scroll Documents turns your page tree into a structured document you can manage from one place. Create new pages, copy existing ones, and adjust your documentation structure with ease, all from a single view. Keep your documents accurate and up to date with every release by creating snapshots or versions. Use workflows to ensure changes are reviewed and approved before they become part of a version, so every release is reliable and transparent. Compare versions to see what's modified, added, or deleted, and easily access and export an earlier version to meet customer or audit requirements. Tailor and serve content for different audiences without duplicating work by creating conditional text and defining variants. Going global, translate your pages into multiple languages in Confluence or by using external translators without the copy-paste chaos. When it's time to share your documentation with others, publish them either to another Confluence space or to the outside world with Scroll Sites. With the Scroll Sites extension, build a help center that's fast, searchable, and fully customizable, giving users a self-service experience where they can quickly find answers. Need offline formats? Export branded PDFs, Word, or HTML with scroll exporters, all styled to match your brand. Deliver the right content where and how your users need it, fast, reliable, and easy to access. Try Scroll Documents and make managing documentation simple. Author, review, reuse, and publish. Get started today on the Atlassian Marketplace.